Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing a sneak peek of some beautiful pink butterfly cards that I created with one of my latest printables, the Pink Vintage Cards and Layout Printable. These cards were lots of fun to make. I had the idea to have a very large butterfly on the middle of each of the cards, and I also wanted to have lots of layers on my card as well, like some shabby chic layers and some vintage layers. So I had a lot of fun creating these cards. The complete video tutorial is over in my Patreon account, the Papercraft Secrets Classroom, and this is just a little sneak peek of how I created the cards. You can see I've got my background already done, and I'm creating some little tags for layering in my cards. I added a doily and some pretty little clocks to my cards as well. And I finished off with some pearl embellishments to decorate my cards. And overall, these were so much fun to make. I really enjoyed creating these, and I have loved using the new pink vintage printables and the blue vintage printables. And if you would like to have a look at those printables, check them out over on my shop at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. But remember, you get them all the printables for free in the Papercraft Secrets Classroom. So that is the best place to go because then you get your printables and your full video tutorials for each one. So come on over to the Papercraft Secrets Classroom and join us in creating amazing cards together. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.